Rahul Gandhi filing his nominations. Big image right here on India Today, exclusive image of Rahul Gandhi all smiles as he files his nomination from Raebareli, flanked by Priyanka Gandhi, his sister, several Congress leaders, including Sonia Gandhi. Sonia Gandhi also present there, his mother, who's won nearly 4 times, or rather 2 decades that Sonia Gandhi has held fort in Raebareli. She's given way for his son, Rahul Gandhi, to come contest from that family bastion of the Congress. We're looking at Rahul Gandhi all smiles as he files his nomination. 3 p.m. was the deadline. He's managed to reach amid all that chaos and swelling crowds in Raebareli. He's beat the traffic and managed to reach the office to file his nomination just in time, just an hour before the deadline ends. The suspense went on for weeks before the Congress party has finally made the announcement on their candidates for both Raebareli and Amethi. This is the first exclusive image that you're seeing right here on India Today of Rahul Gandhi filing his nomination with Sonia Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi, senior Congress leaders by his side. Certainly come as a big surprise. Rahul Gandhi has already completed his campaigning process. Kerala's Wayanad has already got into polls. While that has rested, here a new storm kicked up in Raebareli with Rahul Gandhi deciding early this morning to fight from that family bastion. Samarth Srivastava joining us for more on that. Samarth, Rahul Gandhi has finally managed to reach office in time. Before 3 p.m. deadline, he has filed his nomination. He has his mother by his side, his sister, senior Congress leaders. The excitement within the party cadres there in the Congress party seems quite high. Give us a pulse on ground.
Well, Navina, Congress is having a very interesting story in Amethi Raebareli. You see, today, the final day of nomination, the name for Amethi and Raebareli being announced, and now after just an hour left before the end of nomination, that is 3 p.m. and now it's 2 p.m. when Rahul Gandhi is filing the nomination papers. So there could be some strategy or something like that, but finally, Rahul Gandhi has filed nomination papers from Raebareli. The visuals, the pictures tell the story.
Yes, we have live visuals coming in of Sonia Gandhi, Mallikarjun Kharge, who are walking into their office in Raebareli. Priyanka Gandhi also very visible there. Yeah, there you have it. Visuals, live visuals coming in at the nomination office where Rahul Gandhi has filed his nomination. You see Sonia Gandhi, who's seated there. Beside him, Mallikarjun Kharge, Robert Vadra right beside, and Priyanka Gandhi. You remember, Robert Vadra has been expressing his ambitions and intentions to fight from either of the constituencies there. But it appears Rahul Gandhi has been given that seat, Raebareli seat, now to be contested by Rahul Gandhi, the Gandhi sire. In fact, it was his mother who contested from there for nearly 2 decades. She held fort. Those are the live visuals coming in of Rahul Gandhi's nomination from Raebareli. It's very interesting to note that Rahul Gandhi has decided not to contest Amethi, but instead fall back on a bastion that's been dominated by the Congress party for the last few decades. Sonia Gandhi itself for 20 years. Much before that, right in the 50s onwards, the Gandhi family has held fort, except for one time when a non-Gandhian lost Raebareli. There you have Mallikarjun Kharge, Congress President, Robert Vadra, Priyanka Gandhi, Sonia Gandhi, all core members of the Congress party, and the family itself, the Gandhi family, together have accompanied Rahul Gandhi to file nomination from Raebareli. Certainly an emotional moment it could be for Sonia Gandhi, as she's been there, the incumbent MP. In fact, she's been there for nearly 2 decades. She's now transitioned to the Rajya Sabha, as the Congress claimed that her health did not permit her to fight Lok Sabha elections this time again. And there was a lot of suspense on who would be the face for Raebareli from the Congress this time. There was speculation that Priyanka Gandhi could contest, while Rahul Gandhi could go back to Amethi itself. But it seems like a twist in the tail right in the start of the day, with Rahul Gandhi deciding to contest from Raebareli instead. Priyanka Gandhi decides to sit it out. We're showing you the visuals as we play it for you yet again. Sonia Gandhi, she walks in right behind her. You have Mallikarjun Kharge, Robert Vadra, Priyanka Gandhi, and then Rahul Gandhi to come by and file his nomination.